Press 1.
Yesterday or whatever, my what do you call it, the Maguire ceramic wax after spray thing, the bottle broke, so I decided to put it in the spray container and wash the car with it. See how it works. I mean, why not? Container's broken, so it's the worst that could happen. And I'm pretty sure it'll work better like this, but who knows? Is exactly why I'm trying it. So first I'm just spraying the car down with regular water first, and as you guys can see, the thing is beating off because the car has like a ceramic spray on it already, so it's very easy to wash, luckily. But yeah, guess we'll see how it works. So we're about to go to the place where I may be doing my supercharger install. I most likely will be doing it there, but yeah, this thing, oh my god, it looks insane. To be honest, I may not spend like that $8,000 to $1,000 on the what do you call it, the Vera style diffuser. I may just get one of the fancy wide ones because this thing does look pretty mean, and even though the rest of the aero is going to be carbon, I mean, how bad could it be? I'll just do like the regular carbon upper diffuser and then the lower diffuser in aluminum. But yeah, this thing is fire. Like, yeah, so what he's doing right now is he's getting a PPI, pre-purchase inspection, and somebody may be buying this thing. So yeah, but if you guys see it, damn, this thing is nice. Like, do y'all see that? Like, I've never been the type of person who likes sedans until I saw this one. Oh my god, it's nasty. Like, low-key makes me want one, but I won't do it. I'm going to stick to my priorities, do the supercharger, then get it second or daily. Most likely something automatic and pretty decent speed, like the S550, something like that. Call it a day. No more E36s until I have a lot of money to play with and I can do exactly what I want to do with it. But yeah, I'm warming up the car for a second, and then we're gonna head out to the shop, and that'll probably be it. This is literally right after I did the 5 things I love and 5 things I hate about the E92 M3. Guess we're doing some stuff today, so yeah, I'll get back to you guys when we're cruising and stuff like that. So the owner of the white E36 also owns this nice e46 M3 on T's, red interior. God damn, I definitely need to get another set of T's, 19s, and I mean, I may settle for the 11s, but you know, I want the Porsche spec, so I'll try to do that. Damn. Yeah, the exhaust is off. Damn, and then in the sun it just gets so much better. you're good. All right, the E36, the E46, and the E92. Like, you see this? Boom. And then the E36 right there. And then the E92 right here. Like, the trifecta. Right? It's like Illuminati membership fee. Yeah, he's getting a PPI on this. Like, dude posted it up for probably like 42 seconds and already had people talking about, yeah, I'll fly from North Korea to come buy the car, right? That, like, well, yeah, the dude literally, like, within like the first couple hours said he'll book a flight from Baltimore or something like that as soon as the PPI is done. I'm like, what the hell? Like, that is really crazy. Power of social networking. Like, I don't know how people used to live before this time, but I'm glad we got it now.
Facts. Come off the rim. I've done it already.
Right, that subframe is solid.
Huh. I might need a washer.
Oh, so that's probably the end of that. So I'll catch you guys in the next one because we're all about to head out. But pretty sure there's not going to be anything else happening today. But if there is, I'll just add it after this. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.